Hi, I'm Abigail from the Protect Our Breasts National Executive Board, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY organic body butter. Body butter is basically like lotion, and I love this one because it allows me to know exactly what is going onto my skin and into my body. The skin is our largest organ, and through something called dermal absorption, many chemicals can enter the body just by having contact with the skin. Body butters and lotions commonly contain an ingredient listed as fragrance. This term is a bit of a loophole because companies don't actually have to disclose what chemicals make up that fragrance. It's protected under trade law. Sketchy. So this recipe is basically super easy. All you're going to need is a half cup of organic shea butter, a quarter cup of organic coconut oil, a quarter cup of organic jojoba oil, and 15 drops of the essential oil of your choice. Mine is lavender. Next, you're gonna put all of these ingredients together in a bowl. Once you have all of these ingredients together in a bowl, you're gonna put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Ooh, now that all the ingredients are cold, you can take your electric mixer and the fun can really begin. Okay, so after doing that for anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, it should be looking a little something like this. Put it in a jar, and there you have it, folks. Your very own body butter that you made, you created, no fragrances, no chemicals, no phony gimmicks, just pure organic body butter. So yeah, all you have to do next is just rub that all over your skin and body, and then you're just gonna go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our page for more organic DIYs.